Dough preparation. Adding 100 milliliters of water to the bowl. Mixing in 3 grams of sugar. Adding 3 grams of dry yeast. Time to mix everything with a spoon. Now, adding 3 grams of salt to our mixture. Here goes 100 grams of flour, mixing everything together with a spoon. Getting hands-on with the dough. Stretching and folding to develop the gluten. Keep kneading to achieve the perfect texture. Look at this beautiful, smooth dough. Cheese preparation. Placing cheese slices on the cutting board. Choose thick cheese slices for best results. Using a glass to cut perfect circles. These will be our delicious cheese filling, shaping the rounds. Dusting the surface with flour. Dividing our dough into 2 equal parts. Rolling the first piece, paper thin. Placing our cheese circles on the dough. Covering with the second layer. Sealing the edges carefully. Frying process. Heating oil in a deep pan oil is ready when it's properly hot. Carefully placing our rounds in the oil. Watch them turn golden brown. Time to flip. Look at that color. They're puffing up beautifully. Removing them when perfectly golden. Final presentation. Let's check out our finished rounds. Time for the moment of truth. Breaking one open to reveal the stretch test. Look at that perfect cheese pull. Enjoy your homemade cheese rounds.